Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be very casual. So if you're new here, hello, this is me in my natural habitat. It is early in the morning, it's like barely 8 o'clock. I'm on Central Time now, which is really weird because if you didn't know, I did move to Mississippi. So, today's going to be get ready with me, obviously, because I'm so barefaced. So yeah, that's like what's going to go on. I'm going to do a really like fresh makeup look and just talk about some products I'm loving, talk about some updates, and just chat with you guys. So, if you like these types of videos, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every single week, and let's get started. All right, so I am in my new setup right now. I'm going to spray my face with some primer. This is e.l.f. Oil Control Primer Mist. I love this stuff. So, as you can see, I have lights. I'm sitting in a chair. It's beautiful. I don't know if this is going to stay my setup. Obviously, this is my desk in the background, and I might flip it and have like a permanent decorated background, but I'm just kind of playing it by ear and seeing what I like. So, who knows? I might switch it up. I might not. Whatever. But that doesn't really matter. Let me know, though, what you like. Do you like seeing my desk in the background? Do you want more of, like, a decorated space, kind of like Casey Holmes has? I love her background, personally. So today, I thought I would try to mix these two foundations. So these are two of my favorite foundations of all time together. I have been wearing the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear non-stop since I got it. I just wear it constantly. It's my go-to foundation right now. But I also have loved L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte in the past for its staying power, its mattifying power, all that kind of stuff. So I want to mix these two because this one's too matte on its own for my taste right now, and this one's just perfect, but it's also a little too dewy when it's so frickin' humid here in the South. So I have 455 in this one, and I have, I think 104. Yeah, 104 is my go-to shade. But when I had acne and I was really first starting my channel, like, I used this all the frickin' time. I am self-tanned right now. I used the Ulta, what's it called? I don't know. They're 3-hour ultra dark tan. So the coverage is obviously really good because it's my two favorite foundations. The Fresh Wear one is so skin-like and beautiful. I don't remember if I did a full video on it or not. But anyway, let's stop talking about the foundation. Once I get it all on my face, I'll let you know how I feel about it. But let's start talking about Mississippi. So if you guys didn't know, I did move to Mississippi. I mean, I said it in the intro. But that is because Caleb is in a rotational program for work. I've said this so many times, but I know a lot of people don't see different videos or whatever. But he's in a rotational program for work for supply chain. So that basically means that we are moving around 3 times in 2 years. So this is our third and final stop. If you have been here since I was in college, then you would know, we went to Pennsylvania, then we went to Greenville, where we were for the last 9 months, which, oh, I loved Greenville so much. And then now we are in, and it was Greenville, South Carolina, sorry. And then now we are in Jackson, Mississippi. We're like on the very edge of Jackson and closer to Ridgeland. So yeah, that's where we are right now. We've only been here for like 2 seconds. I mean, we've been here for a little bit over a week, and we're just trying to get settled. We haven't explored too much, but so far they do have some Nixes because there's no Aldi. And if you guys know me, I love Aldi. I mean, it is a budget girl's dream. Like, I have always been frugal because my mom is very frugal. She taught me how to save a pretty penny, and Aldi is my favorite spot ever, especially when I was in college. And even now, like, I just don't understand why people spend $3 on a bag of chips when at Aldi it's like 89 cents. You know, like, hello. I know Walmart has a little bit more competitive prices with Aldi, but it's still not the same. There's some things that I just, it's like $1 more. And I'm like, I'm spending like almost $100 or $100 every single time I go to the store now. I know I'm spending stuff on like getting other things, but still at Aldi it would be like 70 or less, and I get so much stuff. So just a little bit disappointing. Okay, so far I am loving this combination, and I think if it wears well throughout the day, if it doesn't break up, all that kind of stuff, which I don't know why it would because it's 2 L'Oreal foundations together, then this might be my new go-to. Holy crap, that looks so good. I don't know if I was talking about this in a video or if I was thinking about filming a video, but I've been very stuck in a rut when it comes to my makeup. I've been using the same things all the time. Oopsies. Well, I just got some concealer right in the corner of my eye. I've been using the same thing, so I'm trying to switch it up, so that's what I'm doing right now. This is the Master Conceal concealer in light medium. I love this stuff. It's also very nice. It's my mother. Hello? Hello. Okay, so I ended up setting this, the under eyes, with the Healthy Powder from Physicians Formula. This is my favorite, and I'm not going to stop using this. All I did was set my T-zone because this is like pretty dang matte on the other parts of my skin, so I'm just gonna leave that. We are in Mississippi, like I said. It is definitely a lot different here. They don't have Aldi, they don't have a Trader Joe's or Total Wine or anything, which I mean, I'm used to that, like used to places I live not having like a Trader Joe's or a Total Wine because, you know, lived in a smaller town in Michigan, but no Aldi? Like everywhere has Aldi. Okay, we're now going to bronze the skin with the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Bronzer in Sun-Kissed. Mine's kind of broken, but I just kind of still use it. So, yeah, so anyway, I am so excited because I have this filming set up now that I can easily film videos. Like, it's so funny because I was totally fine with, you know, having one bedroom and not having a filming setup all the time, like, you know, not having an office and everything, but it is so true that me always having a filming setup, like, or even a designated spot for it to be set up was just so much easier when we were in Pennsylvania, or even when I would have stuff set up in college. Like, I could, if I had a spare 20 minutes, I could film something, you know, I could film a favorites video, I could film even a really quick tutorial, or whatever, or even the talking part of the video for like a try-on haul. I could film something. Whereas in Greenville, it was a lot harder, so that's why I use a lot more natural lighting, which isn't bad, but, and I do like the natural lighting, but I just felt like my videos weren't progressing with how the quality was, and like I still want stuff to look relatable and everything. But, you know, I also want to be proud of the work, and when my setup is really nice, I, like, geek out about that kind of stuff. I'm a camera nerd. I don't know if, like, a lot of you people know that, but, like, I have loved photography and cameras and all that stuff for a very long time, and not having a designated space was really cramping on that, like, inspiration. Okay, and then I mixed these two blushes the other day, and I loved this combination. So everybody knows, if you watch my videos, or at least a lot of them, then the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in Vintage Rouge is like the best. All, like, everyday, natural, beautiful blush. Then this one is from Maybelline. It's their Fit Me blush, and you would think like this is super cool toned, which it is, but it kind of balances out with the other one. I really like it. It also has a sheen to it. I just don't like it on its own that much, but I like it mixed. That's why I haven't used it really, this Fit Me one. But look how beautiful that is. I hope it's not like washed out. I do have like a monitor set up and everything. If you guys want to see my setup, then go watch my Mississippi moving vlog. I did switch how it's set up. So that time the camera was facing the wall, but I didn't have time to like get stuff to decorate and everything, and I wanted something back there versus just a plain yellowy weird wall. It literally looks like it is 8 p.m. outside because it is so dark. Sorry, I'm on a tangent. I wanted the desk in the background, so I switched it around. But you'll see I have 2 soft boxes. I would have a ring light here, but this is so dark right now, like behind me, because of the, you know, situation going on with the window, that I have my ring light here. So hopefully, I don't know why I'm saying hopefully, I will be getting a new light so I can light up the background, I think, as long as I'm gonna keep this area. And then I do need a mic stand so that the mic can be like right here out of the shot, like right here. So my audio is really, really good. I've been wanting that for a very long time. So I'm gonna do that as well. And then for highlight, this is from Milani. This is their Day Glow in, what? I always say that. Day Glow is the shade. This is their Instant Glow Powder in the shade Day Glow. And, yeah, so I'm really excited about content and everything again, just having a space to myself. I have some things in the works that'll maybe come out in the next couple months. Like one thing, I guess, not some things. One thing in the works that is a lot of work, and I hope you guys like it. Yeah, that's all I'm going to say. But it'll probably come out in the next couple months, I'm hoping. So that's really exciting. It's just been a little crazy, and I was hoping to have it out by now or the end of May, but with the move and everything, it's just insane. So, okay, I was gonna do like a little bit more eyeshadow and stuff, but I'm just gonna do a normal Emily look and use bronzer as eyeshadow. One of my favorite things ever to do is use bronzer as eyeshadow and put the highlight in the crease. This is an everyday look that I personally love to do because it makes me look awake. I always focus on skin first. That has been my #1 thing since having bad skin. I just always focus on skin. And if I don't have anything on my eyes, then I don't have anything on my eyes. But at least my skin looks flawless and beautiful. It's just always my priority. If your priority is something else, then if you only have a few minutes to do your makeup, focus on that. But I like skin the most out of doing my makeup. Like, I could just focus on that all day long. And then I will take another brush. This one's just from Sigma. This is their E38. And I'll just go under here. It just gives a little bit of dimension. I'm putting on a little Aquaphor. I put it in this little container, tub, whatever you want to call it, from Walmart. I got 2 of them for like $1, and I have one in my purse and whatever. I just squeezed the tube of Aquaphor into this. Wow, the colors look so much better now that the TV's like warmed up. Okay, for my eyebrows, I always go in with the Catrice eyebrow filler and shaping gel. I just love this stuff. I need to get a new tube of this. I need to go to Ulta. But I used to kind of just leave it. But now that my hair is darker, I mean, it's, you know, always been dark, but darker a little bit, because I dyed it again recently, then I like filling it in. And also, I've just liked my brows a little bit darker than I had been doing them. I need them a little bit more bold, especially for pictures and whatever. So I'm going to take my tried and true Anastacio brow powder duo in dark brown. I've had this for years. I got it when I was in college, so I don't know if that's that hygienic, but it's just my brows, so I'm not too worried about it. But I have the duo in dark brown, and I love it. It's, like I said, it lasted for years. I don't use it every day, but, you know, it's lasted a really long time. If you have a brow powder, then use that. I really like the one from Wet n Wild. That one is, like, so cheap. This one though, I feel like isn't that expensive for how much use you get out of it. Okay, so also I have kind of gotten away from reviewing products, but I'm thinking I might start again. I'm not gonna do it all the time, but if there's something that really piques my interest, then I will probably try it out on camera again. Start doing maybe foundation reviews. Those are my favorite ones to film, or something like that, because I do kind of miss the like makeup review element of my channel. It's fun for me. I've always liked trying products, and it's always really fun. I love the fashion side that my channel has gone to, because I love that as well, and new clothes are the best, and showing you guys how I style different stuff and whatever. But I also love the makeup side. I just feel like after a while there, I got kind of burnt out on makeup. I was like all makeup all the time, which is fine, but I like other things, you know? So I'm going to use my lash curler. I feel like I need a new one, or need to try out a new lash curler. This one is great. It works. It gets the job done, but I feel like there's probably better ones out there. Then I'm going to use my CoverGirl Lash Blast Amplify Primer, my favorite. I'm just going to coat the lashes with this. This really helps to make sure the lashes look big and voluminous, and I love it. Okay, while that is getting a little bit more tacky, I'm going to fix my hair a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to use a lip liner, my favorite one. This is from CoverGirl. This is their Exhibitionist lip liner in the shade Caramel Nude. I don't even know why I'm looking at it, because I know this by heart. I talk about it all the time. Best lip liner ever. So get them kind of evened out. And then I'm going to go over with this gloss. I've been loving this. This is from Milani. This is their Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumper in the shade Champagne. It's I just love their packaging, but it's beautiful because it's like more pigmented than most glosses. So you get that, but it doesn't, you know how some glosses that are really pigmented where you smack your lips together and then they leave that line? It doesn't really do that. And then it also has a tiny bit of sheen to it, which not sheen, obviously they're shine, like sparkles, like the teeniest. Okay, now we're gonna go in with CoverGirl Exhibitionist mascara. I was gonna say lash something, I don't know, mascara over top of the primer. Well, it is raining buckets out there. I don't know if you can hear it. Hopefully not, but alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed me just like kind of chit-chatting. This is my like fresh everyday look. I wouldn't normally use like a full foundation every single day, more like a BB cream, but I wanted to try out this combination for you guys, and I will let you know like later on in a video or something if I really like it, and most likely I will talk about it on my Instagram, so make sure you follow my Instagram, which is Emily_Freybler. But right now I think it looks so dang beautiful. So yes, anyway, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe because I upload new videos every single week, and I love you so much, and I will see you in a video very soon. Bye, guys.